Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. My name is Ben and today we want to talk about a tech stock which is currently developing a potentially interesting setup. So we might start a pullback soon and that could provide an opportunity if you're ready for it. And it's the Apple chart. So let's go. Okay, we are here on our website, dailymarketupdate.com. This is our website where we cover additional, coins, cryptocurrencies, tech stocks, US stocks, even the S&P 500. If you're interested in all of these updates, written updates, additional updates, in addition to the video updates here on the channel, check it out. Link is in the description. It's completely for free. Today, we want to take a look at the tech section, tech stocks, and we click on the Apple chart. And why is Apple interesting? Well, I show you. Let's first of all take a look at the daily time frame. It's important to get a good idea of the bigger picture, larger time frame. Here you can see that on this larger time frame chart that a larger degree fourth wave correction likely finished here in 2023, early 2023, end of 2022, and the market started a rally from there. And this rally is ideally forming a five-wave move up, or, well, it did form a five-wave move up. This was kind of this fifth wave in an even larger degree, third wave in blue. Okay, so this was an internal five-wave move. We had some kind of a trending move finish there in 2024, end of 2024, and we started 2025 with a pullback. Now, you see here, this was kind of an internal fifth wave in beige of a larger degree five-wave move. So huge movements, right? Large time frames. Currently, the preferred interpretation is with a probability of 66% that the pullback, which started here in 2025, is complete. It finished in April. We had a trading area here on the chart. I'm not sure if we covered it in a video, but if you read our updates on the website, then you've got this area highlighted on the chart, or you had it on the chart and it's now grayed out, which means it's not relevant anymore. But those who entered when the market hit the box could now adjust their stop loss. So we are now in the fifth wave to the upside, and this fifth wave should take us above the previous swing high, and it could take us to new highs, and this would be a fifth wave, but it should complete a much larger five-wave move. So afterwards, expect a large correction. Now, if we don't make it directly to a new high, we have to follow the alternative pathway interpretation here, in which this fourth wave is still unfolding. That is a reasonable interpretation as well, but based on certain guidelines that we're following, the direct move up is the more likely and the preferred interpretation. So that's the overall context. This is why it's interesting, because we have probably the low in, this low has likely formed in this fourth wave, and we're now in a fifth wave to new highs. And in this fifth wave, you see here, we should get five waves up in green, of which we already completed the wave one. We're now likely in the wave two. And as long as we're holding this April low, which formed at $168, we see this as a corrective pullback, which means it's correcting the green wave one. We're now in this corrective pullback green wave two of the larger fifth wave. Once this wave two is over with an invalidation point of $168, the third wave should take us to previous highs here, the December highs, December, January, close. It will depend on the microstructure. We will be able to probably provide some targets once we have a low. We don't have a low yet. We would need a break above these May highs first to indicate the third wave has started. But the main takeaway is we're likely now in a corrective pullback and should very soon continue the journey higher in a third wave. Now, the perspective will change if we break below $168, but that is currently not expected. At the same time, this pullback is likely not over, but there is plenty of room to $168. We're now trading around $197. So the third wave is typically the strongest wave, so it will be quite interesting. That should give you a good idea of where Apple is likely headed. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, make sure to register on our website. You can do it completely for free, and you get access to all of these Elliott Wave updates. Also, for further updates, news and updates, and just additional value, check out our new Instagram page, The Market Intel. You'll find the link in the description. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.